Take a ride in the 2020 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, adaptive headlights, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.